Welcome to the future. Build an AI chatbot in 5 minutes. Real Python code. No platforms. Let's go. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the 11-line foundation, how to add endless memory, how to fully customize the AI's personality, track token usage and cost, and how to turn this exact code into 3 real-world apps. No fluff. Let's build. First, let's set up our project environment. Create a new folder and open VS Code. We'll set up 3 files here, chatbot.py for our code.n for our API key, and .gitignore to keep secrets safe. Next, run pip install OpenAI and python.env. The OpenAI package gives us the API client, and .env securely loads our secret key. Now for the final setup step, head to OpenAI's platform and grab an API key. Click Create New Secret Key and keep it safe. You'll also need to add $5 to activate it. Let's write the bare minimum code to get this running. Open chatbot.py and write these 11 lines. First, we connect to OpenAI, loading the library and our secret API key. Now we ask the AI, we send our message and get a reply back. Finally, we show the reply on the screen. Let's give our bot memory so it can hold a real conversation. First, a list that remembers the whole chat, starting with a system message. Then a loop, so you can keep talking. Each turn, we add what you type to memory. We send the whole history to the AI, so it remembers everything said so far. Then we save its reply back into memory and show it on screen. Let's run it. I'll ask for a 30-day Python learning plan. It replies instantly. Then I ask a follow-up about week 3. And because we added memory, it knows exactly what I'm talking about. Now let's inject some personality. By passing a system prompt, you completely control how the AI behaves. You can also adjust the temperature. 0 is strict logic and 1 is maximum creativity. But how much does this cost? To keep an eye on usage, we can track the total tokens used in the response and calculate the exact cost. It's usually fractions of a penny. Let's see this in action. I'll change the system prompt to a sarcastic robot. Look at that attitude. Same code, completely different vibe. Let's get practical. Same code, different system prompt. Now it's a customer support bot escalating a login issue. Change one line. And it's a senior engineer refactoring your Python code. Change it again, and you have a patient API tutor. 3 completely different apps, all from the same 30 lines of code. But there is one thing missing. Real chatbots don't make you stare at a blank screen waiting for a massive paragraph to load. We want that instant, typing effect, feedback. So we toggle stream equals true in our API call. We iterate over the response chunks as they arrive from OpenAI servers and print them instantly. Watch this, a fully responsive ChatGPT-like interface in just 5 extra lines of code. You just built a production-ready AI brain in under 5 minutes. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. The code is yours now. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly what you are going to build with it. A dungeon master for D&D? An automated email drafter? Best idea gets pinned. Next up, we are taking this and deploying it as a full-stack web app with persistence. Thanks for watching.